Welcome back to Energy Monitor's COP27 interview series. My name is Nour Ghantous and I'm coming to you from Sharm el-Sheikh, and I'm here with Priya Donti, who is the co-founder of Climate Change AI, a non-profit. Priya, it's so nice to have you here. I understand you've been to some roundtables. How have they been?
Yeah, so I went to the technology and innovation roundtables of the Global Stocktake Initiative yesterday, and there was a lot of discussion about how do we basically enable the use of technology to facilitate our climate action goals. And I think one challenge or one observation here is that technology is a very broad term. The things we need to do actually to facilitate the use of things like solar panels and wind turbines can look a bit different than what we need to do to facilitate the use of digital technologies like data science. And it's important that we bring all of these tools to the table when we're actually approaching the climate change issue.
And is data science a priority for Climate Change AI?
Absolutely. Data science can play a really big role in strengthening and supporting climate change strategies. So when you think about integrating renewable energy into power grids, the way that you actually manage and balance power grids that can deal with these renewables is through the use of data science. Also, initiatives like monitoring the global greenhouse gas emissions and pinpointing where they come from. These are initiatives that use a combination of satellite imagery and data science to really give that independent estimate of emissions. So there are lots of places where data science can really play a critical role.
And how does inclusivity and collaboration factor into this?
In all of these cases, data science is only one part of the bigger strategy. So coming back to this example of integrating solar and wind into power grids, you need data scientists to understand how to use these technologies in that context, but you also need people who are familiar with how power systems work. You also need the involvement of regulators who understand what it means for the grid to work and to not break as we actually manage it. And we need this collaboration to be across global context because we need to, for example, transform energy systems around the world. So bringing together this wide set of stakeholders is really important to making sure these strategies work well.
And how can these stakeholders support this ambition?
Yeah, so we are always looking for partnerships to basically work with us on our educational programs, our collaboration programs, and we also run grants programs to fund impactful work in this area. And in that vein, we're also always looking for funding to basically support our activities and support the staff behind the organization that makes all this possible.
Well, thank you so much, Priya. It's been a pleasure speaking to you. Stay tuned for more.